Session 2. A day at the park.
Are you playing football today?
I'm not playing football today. I'm planning to spend the afternoon sitting in the sun and relaxing. Would you like to come?
Sorry, I'm having lunch with Jess. Maybe I can meet you later.
Where are you going for lunch?
We're eating at the Lambada. It's a new place that does lunch in the day and dancing at night.
Okay. I hope you enjoy your lunch.
Great. I will talk to you later.
Later on the phone.
Hello, Sam. Are you enjoying the park?
Hi, Chris. I am enjoying the park. I'm not planning to leave for a while.
I'm sorry, I'm not going to meet you today.
Are you okay?
I am, but Jess is feeling a bit ill. We're walking home now.
I understand. I hope that Jess is feeling better soon.
Thank you, Sam. See you soon.
Goodbye, Chris. See you soon.